Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to install Python 3.10.8 on Windows 11. First, go to Google Chrome and type for Python. Then, click the first and go to Downloads and wait for to download it. At the bottom, click the Python Excel. Next, go back to the home page. And then click here. And then click next. Install location. And then click install. And we will wait for these seconds. And then click close. Then at the bottom, click search and type for CMD. And click command prompt. And then open it. Then type here Python version. And then enter. And then type for PY and then enter again. Type again print and your name. Enter again. Then at the bottom, click search and type for IDLE. At the left corner, click file. Then click save as. And then go to the file name, type a name, and click save. And click again, yes. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.